It's a big chunk right there. And all my flower gold for the trip. Ran through there. I still got some more to go through and a big pan to clean out, but it's pretty good, dude. I was there camped 2 days. I didn't run very much because I worked so hard that week, but got into some good gold. Big chunk there. And all the rest of my finds. And of course your typical floaters. And a bit of my gold this week. Probably about 12 buckets, 8th classified. Not good. Pretty good.